Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Guys, we've seen so much volatility in the market. We've seen, a lot of things going on. We got tariffs going on. We got the market kind of selling off. So I wanted to make a video kind of explaining a little bit of everything. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And if this is your first video to the channel, guys, smash that like button, subscribe, do it right now. All right, let's jump into this. So tariffs. What are they? Well, it's very simple. A tariff is a tax imposed by the government on imports or exports. The idea behind it is very simple. If you are a country and you normally sell in the United States, you are now going to be paying more to get that product in the United States to sell it. The idea behind it is you move manufacturing and the company over to the US for jobs and opportunity. That's pretty much it. We saw this happen already with Honda. They were selling the Honda Civic or making the Honda Civic in Mexico. Now, why would they do that when they can move manufacturing of that to Indiana where they already have plants? So that's the idea behind it. So right now, there's 3 tariffs out there. There is a tariff on Mexico for 25%, a tariff on Canada for 25%, and a tariff on China for 10%. So if you are a company and let's just say it costs you $100 to make a product and sell it in the United States, now it's going to be $125, just to put that out there. The idea behind it is you go, all right, well, this is costing us millions of dollars. Let's move manufacturing to the United States to get around that rule. And what that does for the US is it stimulates the economy and brings opportunity for jobs, growth, development. Also here, another thing I kind of want to show you guys is going to be this little fact sheet here. So one thing here that I think is important, trade accounts for 67% of Canada's GDP, 73% of Mexico's GDP, and 37% of China's. So we could see an increase in companies moving over to the US to bring jobs and manufacturing here. So what this causes, though, in just a general like stock market and economy and all that, is uncertainty. Right now, people are nervous that we are going to see an increase in the price of products. And yes, we could see an increase in products. There's no lie, no denying that. There's no denying that. But we also could see an increase in jobs and opportunity get brought over. So when you have uncertainty, what this causes is the general stock market and economy to be unsure, causing sell-off, right? And that's kind of why we've seen, even if we look at, we'll pull it up here so you guys can see, even if we look at just the broad market today, it's been rough, right? We saw a good amount of sell-off in almost every single sector, technology, not as much actually in technology, financial, most of these. So this is what it causes, is just uncertainty in the market. So another thing you also have to be cautious of is another country can put a tariff on the US. And that's already what we're starting to see. So this is why we could see uncertainty and a trade war possibly happen. Now, what does this mean for you guys as investors, consumers, all of that stuff? So investors, don't even be worried. Honestly, don't be worried. Yes, we could see volatility. We could see more sell-off. But if you have a long-term mindset, it's better to have time in the market than trying to time the market. And you sell off like this to your advantage and buy stocks at a cheaper price. That's what I'm doing. That's the best approach. So another thing for consumers, right? I do think we could see a variety of different things. We could see a little bit of different prices starting to increase a little bit. Or we could see more jobs and opportunity come to the United States. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm not going to be political on here at all on what I think and who I think did that and all that. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'd love to see you guys. And I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, and I'll keep you guys updated on any new information that I find. I'll make videos on it. All right. Take care.